This is going to be a very quick video using XLOOKUP. You've probably used XLOOKUP to get data based on one value. But what do you do if you have two lookup values? That's exactly what we will look at in this video. In this data, you can see the names of the top salesperson for each year. Sean's name appears 3 times. We already know XLOOKUP can easily get you results for the first and the last occurrence, that is 2014 and 2020. But how do we get the value for Sean's sales in 2016? Let's take a look. Let's write XLOOKUP. The first lookup value is 2016, so we select G1. But we have two lookup values, so we'll use an AND or ampersand and select G2. Let's select lookup array, and you would have guessed that we need to select two arrays now. A2 to A15, and then using the AND operator, B2 to B15. Remember the order used for the lookup value, that's the same order in which you will select the lookup array. The last bit is easy, the return array is C2 to C15. And we get the value as 29,200. If we change the year to 2014, we get the value as 29,500. And if we change it to 2020, then we get the value as 31,700. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing our channel for more such videos. And in case you want to explore other functions instead of XLOOKUP, then please check the description for options. Take care and see you next time.